So in this video, I am going to teach you on how to add the custom amounts on your Steam account. So basically first log into your Steam account by entering your credentials on it. And for you to able to do that, basically open a web browser on your device. And for example, I uses Google Chrome, so I use this search engine and just simply go or visit the Steam website. But if you have downloaded this application on your PC or any devices, just simply access your account. And once you're in, go to the profile section, which is your email, and you will see it right here. Click the account details. And once you are in, you will see under the store and purchase history, you will see this add funds to your Steam wallet. Once you click on that, you will see right here which are the amounts that you may add to your funds or your wallet. So that's how you add funds to your wallet.